Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Benny and I'm on a journey of growing my natural hair. I share DIYs of how I've been growing my hair, and I also share DIYs of skincare, so please just hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this nourishing deep conditioner. So these are the ingredients that I used: avocado, banana, olive oil, castor oil, avocado oil, mayonnaise, and also eggs, and argan oil, and also palm kernel oil. This palm kernel oil is from Nigeria. If you don't have this, you can use black castor oil. So because I don't have black castor oil, that's why I want to use that, because it's also good for hair growth and also for skin. So guys, I'm just going to transfer everything into my blender so I can blend. If you don't have any of these oils that I used in this video, you can skip it out. So I decided to break the avocado first with my spoon so it won't be difficult to blend. So this is all of it. I'm just going now to blend it. So after blending it, it was really very smooth, but I still decided to strain it. You can see it's very smooth. I don't want any white chunks on my hair, so it's better to strain it even though it's smooth. This deep conditioner, you can use it every week, and after the first use, you're going to see after you wash it out, you're going to see your hair really soft and easy to manage. So you guys just try this deep conditioner. So I applied it on my daughter's hair. And I also applied it on my hair. So guys, please, if you've watched this video to this time and you've not subscribed to this channel, please do and subscribe to my channel, and also give this video a big thumbs up, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends that might be interested in it. So after that, I will just cover it with my nylon and leave it for about 1 hour, and after that I will just wash it out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and on the notification bell beside it, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Bye. No weapon that is formed against thee shall prosper, and every tongue that shall rise against thee in judgment thou shalt condemn. This is the heritage of the servants of the Lord, and their righteousness is of me, saith the Lord. Isaiah 54, verse 17.